Hey my pretties, welcome back. I just walked inside of the Dollar Tree and I'm right here by the Halloween stuff and I don't really see anything new. Yeah, nothing really new. They just got some of their socks down here. So I'm gonna walk around and see what else we can find for today. They do have this little area right here with like all the socks. Not all, but a lot of the socks, the little snuggadoos. So you have those. What are these over here? You got gloves. You got the snuggadoo kind, and then you got the regular ones. Those are called magic gloves. And I can't remember why. Magic gloves. I don't know. If you know why, let me know. Because I can't remember why they called them magic. So that, and then they got some of the house shoes over here. Oh, that's a cute little color. I don't remember seeing that one. The pink. I do like the ones with the bows on them. They remind me of Minnie Mouse. And I like those blue ones too. And then there was just more gloves over here and the thick socks. Oh, look at these. These is real sparkly. I like those too. Okay, let me walk away from the socks. It's funny because we have not even hit Halloween, and I mean this is all that's left of fall. This one little station, they got a few little things right there, but just this right here and those plants. Everything else has turned into Christmas. This is not the same store where I was looking at the ornaments, but they have put theirs out as of today. Let's see, do I see anything else new? Oh, this one is pretty. I didn't see the blue or this one. Let me see, coming down this way, they do got these. Really pretty. Oh, they got their little birds over here. These are the ones that's usually in the craft section, but they've just added them over here and put an ornament sign on them. But those are the cute little birds. Those. They got the Santa Claus head. You can either get the red hat or the burgundy. Or up here he has plaid. Oh, look at these. I don't remember seeing these before. And you get two of them. The little campers. I like those a lot. Let's see. Okay. Oh, there's the one. I couldn't reach it the last time. With the little disco ball hat. Okay, we saw that. Oh, look at this. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, that's definitely new. What else? This one. You got the car. Those have been here. The elf legs. Santa. You got this brown snowman and this white one. And I think that's it as far as these, but this is cute. Okay. I don't know. I'm like, do I need this right now? I'll come back for it. They got a lot of them. This is the location with all the crafts. But again, I don't want to, I hate to go through stuff twice. If you missed most of this, I do have other videos up, but this is just a quick preview. I'm just trying to see if there was anything I missed. And let me know down in the comments, did your store, do you have one of the large stores around you? Did you guys get most of this stuff or not? There's the paints, the big bottles right there. How many ounces were these? Oh, I know it was right in my face, wasn't it? 8 ounces. I knew that. Here's the little Crayola washable paints. Oh, I didn't see these. You got the felt rolls. You got different colors. The tape, fastener, the chalkboard tags. Yeah, I think we've seen all of this. Glue sticks. The organizer box with 8 compartments. You can actually use these for your pills too. Like if you have to take pills on a daily, that could work for that. There's the pearls. Okay. Over in this section, I like to check to see if I see any new stickers. And oh, there's the one that everybody was looking for. This one looks new. Let's see what that is. Okay, there it is. It wouldn't focus. There's mermaid kisses and starfish wishes. That's what it would look like. And it's super cute. What else did I just see? This one right here. Cultivate, love, and light. And this is what that one would look like. That's cute too. I like how it has the blue background. And I think this one is new. And there it is right there. And that is what the picture would look like. Oh, last time I seen these, I showed you these at a different store. Look at that. They got different patterns. So I see that one. Let me sit it right here for now. I see this one. It has the like bumps on it. Really cute. This one. And then I see this one up here. Let me move that for a second. Look at that. And these are all kind of like ombre. They go pink to like blue. And then up here I see these little decor. I only see blue. Yeah, I only see blue back there, but those are cute. Oh, they're bringing back these with the gold around it. Oh, okay. So there was more than just the blue. They have white too. So the blue one is sitting over there, but they got the white one over here. And look at this one. Isn't that pretty? I like that. What else did I just... My eyes just glanced at something. Oh, these down here. These are different. You got the green, red, blue, and the white. They kind of look like the ones that they had like this, but as you can tell, that one is way bigger. Then they put out some new canvas pictures. Sometimes I try to not go through all of these because there'll be a lot. You got love, you got that one. Oh, that one is cute. I like that. Another cactus. Family. Bless this mess. Cute little butterflies. Let's see what's over here. Oh, that's cute. That's really pretty. And that's it down there. And let's see up here. That one. Oh, that's really cute. And I think these are repeats up here. Oh, look at that. That's cute too, and it has the gold around it. I like that. And I think that's it. Those two are my favorite right now. These two. Super cute. But look at these hair accessories. This one is some pearls on a bobby pin. And then look at this clip right here. Those are kind of cool. Oh look, a Sassy and Chic facial cleansing brush. I wonder how good this works. I wonder if it like spins really good. I think I'm gonna get one just to try it out. I see blue, this green, and pink. Okay, and then look at this end cap. They have a bunch of new stuff that they usually carry, like the earbuds and stuff like up there. But what did I just say? Okay, so everything has like glitter. So the USB cables have like a sparkle to them. You got the blue, black, this burgundy, as you can see, the glitter. And then they have these phone accessories. So this is an earbud case, and it comes really sparkly, that pink. I don't want to mess up the display. They have black. They have that purple, which is pretty. I see a blue back there, and this really pretty green. I swear, I love that green like that. I'm tempted to get this, and I don't even need it. They got the swivel phone mirror, so you can put this on the back of your phone like that and have a mirror. Let me see, I only see blue. Oh no, they got all the same colors. The pink, purple. Okay. So all of the mirrors are different colors. You got these cords, glitter. What else did I see? Ring phone holders with the glitter. All the colors. And they have these phone stands that look the same. So purple, black, blue, green. And then what are these? These are stylists, and they look the same way. They have glitter on the clip in all the same colors. And the USB chargers as well. And here are more of the as seen on TV egglets. Did any of you guys get any of these? And if you did and you tried it, let me know if you liked it, because I didn't actually purchase one, but they do still have a bunch of them. Okay, you guys, that was the last row in Dollar Tree. I'm coming up on the registers, so I'm gonna wrap this up. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll talk to you real soon in my next video. Okay, bye.